Have you seen these things on the internet called NFTs, which stand for non-fungible tokens? And you'll see these pictures. They're really not that high quality pictures, but they're selling for absolutely ridiculous amounts of money. This one, for example, by Cryptopunks, just got bought for $130 million. And you may ask yourself, why are they selling for so much? And you guys, welcome to the whole new version of the internet where it's moving from cryptocurrency into the NFT phase, and these images are selling for so much. Like another one sold for 20 million the day before, but this one $130 million. And you may say to yourself, well, you know, my kids could draw better images than this. And also, what gives the value to an image such as this? And if a person also pays $130 million for this image, what is the next person who buys this image from that person? What is the value based off of? And the answer is nothing is backing these images. People are just buying these images to be able to say that they own $130 million image, which is however many Lamborghinis that is right there, right? So anyways, my business partners that I've been working with now for quite some time over at Tagprotocol, these are the world's first data-backed NFTs, because those other pictures, such as what you just saw, they're not backed by anything, and definitely not backed by data, which is the largest commodity in the world. And so you'll see here's a list of different NFTs that I own, but right in the middle there, you'll see El Salvador. So this is one of the NFTs that I own here, which it's a whole entire country, and I picked this up for $300 as an NFT, and I clicked on the information thing here, so you guys can see this is on the blockchain with Tagprotocol. But I'm very convinced that data-backed NFTs is going to be a very, very big thing as we move into a whole new social media network down the road that is all driven by NFTs, and a social media network that is decentralized and cannot be shut down like what we saw at Parler. And so this right here, this little image, you can see it shows that how many coins that this NFT has mined me. And do keep in mind, there's other NFTs such as the one I just showed you. It doesn't mine cryptocurrency whatsoever. You just simply own an image that probably the bottom is going to fall out of it because no one's going to want to pay what the last person paid for it. But you can see here that in the last hour, this has nearly mined me El Salvador, the country, which is a major trending thing since they just accepted Bitcoin. It mined me nearly 1 tag coin. So we have our own cryptocurrency within this NFT system as well. And based off that information, you can see that, you know, how much this NFT has mined since we first started this program, which is 550 coins, and estimated yearly yield of about 7,500 coins. Another thing you can do is I recommend that you guys go to something called Tagscan.info, and there you can type in at the top any number, let's say under 10,500, because we've sold about 10,500 NFTs so far, and it'll pull up the ID here. For example, when I put in this one, this is El Salvador right here. You can see the top, that's token ID number 3742. This is going to show very accurate information of all these social media pages where El Salvador is being tweeted on. So there was actually, you know, 1 day ago, it nearly 2.5 million pages of data with the hashtag El Salvador on it. And this means that every time people are tweeting about El Salvador, you know, it's actually mining cryptocurrency. And so down as we get down to the bottom of the page here, you can see the amount of coins that are coming in based off of this every single hour. There you go. 14 minutes ago, I just got paid in cryptocurrency. An hour ago, 2 hours ago, you know, on down. Then you can even expand this to even go more into this. So you go to 100 pages, for example, and boom, it's going to bring in a lot of information about all the cryptocurrency that has been coming in. and where they're pulling this information from. So the NFT space is very, very fascinating, and I think that with this kind of these signs taking place every single day with images such as this, you got to admit it's pretty humorous that these images are selling for so much freaking money. That this is a sign that we're moving towards a big online transition right here into the NFT space. So if you're interested in getting involved in NFTs, I would not recommend that you go purchase one of these images online that are backed by nothing, that aren't mining you any kind of cryptocurrency, that the value is probably going to go down. I'd recommend going for a data-backed NFT that actually mines you cryptocurrency, and that's why I'm very passionate about Tagprotocol. So get with the person that shared this video with you and think of different hashtags out there. It's very simple to go to Instagram and just search for different hashtags and find out. You want to find a hashtag that actually has that has been mentioned millions of times, not one that's just mentioned a few times. And the more times it's mentioned, the more it will mine you cryptocurrency. So anyways, pay attention to what's happening in the NFT space. It's going to become known more mainstream here, and I think Tagprotocol is the one that's going to really show the way on where the NFT market is going. Thank you.